Hello class. Today we will study about the reproduction in organism, that is the types of sexual reproduction that we have to study. Over here the two types of sexual reproduction type is, that is syngamy and conjugation. Syngamy is fertilization. Fertilization is fusion. Fusion of the gametes. The two gametes that is haploid in number, that is going to fuse to form a diploid zygote. So that is syngamy fertilization. Both the terms are the same. Syngamy fertilization. Next is conjugation. Conjugation is seen in bacteria, that is in the kingdom Monera. In kingdom Monera, conjugation where the two bacteria are there of different strain, conjugation tube is formed, and over there what happened, the genetic recombination occurs. This is not in your syllabus of class 12, as we have studied in class 11 conjugation, the different type of genetic recombination in kingdom Monera. So we have to study syngamy fertilization. The basis of syngamy fertilization, how the gametes fuse and form a diploid zygote, I have described you in my previous lecture. So we come back over here in the fertilization, the two types of gametes, which is the microgamete and the macrogamete. The microgamete is the sperm in, if we talk in relation to the human body, okay, and macrogamete is the ovum, okay. So these microgamete and macrogamete, these are the gamete fusion which relate to the formation of a zygote. Now over here testis and ovary, these are the gonads, where the meiosis will occur by the process of spermatogenesis leads to formation of sperms, and oogenesis which leads to formation of the ovum. So these gonads over here, presence of gonads can be, any organism can be monoecious or it can be dioecious. Monoecious means single sufficient. Single sufficient का मतलब होता है कोई भी organism which will be having both the male and the female gonads present in it, that will be monoecious, or we can say that as a hermaphrodite. जैसे कि earthworm है तो वो क्या होगा, monoecious होगा. Dioecious means which needs a second partner or which needs a second for the sexual reproduction, second partner, okay. So single is not sufficient. So dioecious over here means any organism which will have one gonad, okay, and monoecious which will have both the gonads or the sexual organ present in it, okay. So this is the definition of monoecious and dioecious. Next, on the basis of sources of the fusing gamete, sources, it can be self fertilization or cross fertilization. सेल्फ फर्टिलाइजेशन, जैसे कि अभी हम मॉर्फोलॉजी हमने पढ़ी है फ्लावर की, उसमें वहाँ हम सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन फ्लावरिंग प्लांट पढ़ेंगे, दैट इज द सेकंड चैप्टर. इन दैट सेल्फ फर्टिलाइजेशन एंड क्रॉस फर्टिलाइजेशन. सेल्फ फर्टिलाइजेशन और क्रॉस फर्टिलाइजेशन प्लांट में तो बहुत ईजिली मिलता है देखने को, लेकिन अगर हम एनिमल किंगडम की बात करें तो टेनिया सोलियम, यहाँ पर ये बहुत रेयर, वेरी रेयरली इट इज फाउंड, दैट इज सेल्फ फर्टिलाइजेशन. Cross fertilization is easily seen in mammals and you can see in many of the vertebrates, okay. So that is cross fertilization. Monoecious का भी example invertebrates and many vertebrates is also an example of monoecious. Over here now we come to the structure of the fusing gamete. On the basis of the structure of the fusing gamete, it can be divided into 4 types. You must have studied 3 types, but one more type is there that I am going to teach you over here. First is the isogamy. Isogamy, when both the gametes are morphologically and physiologically similar. ठीक है, that is isogamy. Iso means same, gamete. ठीक है. Second is the anisogamy. Anisogamy is there where anisogamy where the gametes are morphologically or physiologically different, that is anisogamy. Third is oogamy. Oogamy like microgamete and megagamete, where there will be motile and motility में difference होगा. Like microgamete will be motile and macrogamete will be non-motile, bigger in size, and microgamete will be smaller in size. That is the example of oogamy. Okay. And next, one more type is hologamy. Hologamy is a type where the organism itself act as a gamete. An example is yeast. Okay. So these are the different types on the basis of structure of gamete. This is the different types of the gamete fusion which occurs. Okay, student. So today we have studied about the types of sexual reproduction. In the next class we are going to study about the difference in the asexual reproduction in sexual reproduction. Queries are most welcome. If you I hope so that this lecture will be helpful to you. Thank you, class.